Unlock Focus Mastery. Top 3 Secrets for 3D Printing Success in the Dynamic Landscape of Modern Manufacturing. Mastery in 3D printing is paramount. This essay delves into 3 essential secrets that can propel practitioners towards success today. 1. Embrace precision through calibration. Calibration is the cornerstone of 3D printing precision. A correctly calibrated printer ensures accurate print dimensions, eliminates warping, and minimizes material waste. Source: 3dprint.com. Regularly calibrate the printer's bed leveling, extruder settings, and nozzle diameter to maintain optimal performance. Source: all3dp. Miscalibration can lead to inaccuracies that compromise print quality and reliability. So what? Prioritize regular calibration as part of your 3D printing routine to achieve consistent, high-quality results. 2. Understand material properties for optimal printing. Each 3D printing material has unique properties that must be understood for successful prints. Source: Ultimaker. For instance, PLA is easy to print and biodegradable, while ABS requires higher temperatures and offers greater durability. Experiment with various materials to find the best fit for your specific projects. Understanding material properties enables you to make informed decisions about the right filament for each application. Source: Matter Hackers. So what? Expand your material knowledge to tailor 3D prints according to their intended use, ensuring superior results and functionality. 3. Optimize workflow with software tools. Leverage software tools to streamline the entire 3D printing workflow. Source: CNC Kitchen. Slicers like Prusa Slicer and Ultimaker Cura convert 3D models into printable G-code, while printers like the Markforged X7 offer integrated software for design, simulation, and print management. Optimize your workflow by utilizing these tools to prepare and manage prints more efficiently, reducing errors and saving time. Source: Thingiverse. So what? Adopting optimized workflows empowers practitioners to produce 3D prints with minimal hassle and maximum reliability. By embracing these secrets, practitioners can unlock a pathway to success in today's competitive manufacturing landscape.